How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 GTO. It's a true 242 GTO. Gorgeous car, rock solid, all original panel car. It's been redone in its factory Limelight Green. Beautiful car. It's all the original grills and headlight doors are all in excellent condition. Got the hood mounted hood tach. Car's really straight, flat down the sides. Got the factory Rally 2s. They did upgrade them to the 15-inch, so you can get a little better tire under the car. They did the judge wing on it. See, the rear bumpers all been re-chromed. Original tail lights in excellent condition. Just a rock solid car. It's spent most of its life out west. This Limelight Green's good looking color on the car. Got the correct PMD center caps on the wheels. Now the original 400's been replaced with a 455. Got power steering, your power disc brakes, heavy duty cooling system. It's got the Super T10 4-speed. A lot of original parts on the car. Jams are all real nice. Original door panels. Dash looks to be original. Headliner's been replaced, real nice and tight. It's got new front and rear seat covers. The carpet's also been replaced. Got factory tilt wheel, pretty rare. All inside the trunk looks real nice. It's got the original jack and spare. It's all the original trunk floor. Got your shoulder strap seat belts. It's got the factory radio, it does work. It's got the original shifter. It's a Hurst shifter. Tell you, for being original door panels, it's beautiful shape. Fires right up. All the hideaways work. Choke and everything works on the car. Nice duals out the back. Got front and rear sway bars, posi rear. It's just a really nice car. The car drives and rides on the road beautifully. check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. It's a little chilly today. It's only about 38 degrees right now, but we got some beautiful sunshine. Have a great day, folks.